Hello, good people. I'm Visa from Recyclub Studios, and next on our circuit bending series is a guitar. Okay, let's dive into it. So this is a guitar. I don't really know the brand or name for it. There is a text saying Budget Trading Ltd, but that's all there is. Quick Google search didn't give anything. I did find couple guitars that had some of the similar buttons, but I didn't find exactly the same one. Anyway, again, very simple, basic circuit bends. The tone knob and line out. What's great with this one is that there's a major scale, full scale, and with the tone knob you can tune it to any bass note, and the scale will follow. There's also some pre-recorded songs, but I don't usually do any with them. And unfortunately these buttons are not working, but I'm guessing they are also some pre-recorded songs, or maybe sounds of the animals. Not sure. Wasn't working when I when I got my hands on it. Anyway, let's crack it open and see what's inside. So here it is. There was a good pile of screws, and that's all there is, supposedly closing it. Yep. So the back cover has only battery back, and everything else is on this side. There are a couple circuit boards for the other buttons, contacts. I don't care to take it off, cause all the contact rubbers come loose, and the buttons and so forth. But if I remember correctly, there's nothing on these PCBs. All the action happens on this data board. And it's through-hole mount, which is good. That's what we like. The timing resistor place is in here, replaced with the wires to the knob, which is here. And I've added a that looks to be 22K resistor in series, so that the resistance in the loop doesn't go too low. Some of these circuits don't like too low resistance, because they will just shut off or go in a weird states. So sometimes you need a series resistor. You can search it by adding a potentiometer, then rotate it as low as you can go until it goes haywire, and then just back a little bit up, and then measure the resistance of the potentiometer, and then add some close value from that, a little bit above. Yeah, other thing is the output jack, which in this case I think is in parallel with the speaker. Sometimes you can use the switch function in the jack, so that when you plug in a connector it will turn off the speaker, but sometimes it doesn't work, and in this case it didn't work, so that's why it's in parallel. It will play the speaker as well when you have something plugged in, but we can live with that. That's not a problem. Okay, other possible mods one could do is to have a trigger inputs for the scale or the buttons, so that you could play it with external sequencer and a line in for control voltage input for the frequency potentiometer, which could be just a Vactrol in a parallel. So LDR and LED, and of course you always need the series resistance with the LED and jack. That's pretty much all it needs. Or you can add all kinds of other strange ways of controlling the pitch. Or add some extra electronics if you want to do something exotic inside the enclosure. But I personally am the ones that would more like to connect it into the modular than do some standalone stuff. So that's it. I thank you for the time, and nice that you went through the whole video. If you've bent the same toy or have any ideas how to bend or what to do with it, leave a comments down below, and yeah, thanks for watching. Cheerios.